In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the T33 wireless CCTV camera. Okay, this is T33 wireless CCTV camera, and it comes with 3 lens. And the 3 lens, you can be able to control the 3 lens with your phone, tablet. Okay, anywhere you have the application, you can be able to control the 3 cameras. Okay, and this T33 CCTV camera is a Wi-Fi camera. Okay, it's not SIM. Because I have non-stop internet in my house, and my TV is connected, the whole laptops and phones are connected to the same internet. So instead of me to keep subscribing on this camera, because I have it like 3 in my house, I decided to buy a Wi-Fi so that I can be able to use the same Wi-Fi to connect all the devices, so that these cameras can connect to the same Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi enabled, no SIM, triple lens, and all the lens you can control with your phone, tablet, or any device. Built-in battery, and it charges with solar panel. Auto tracking, audio. This camera, you can speak to somebody from anywhere in the world. Okay, you can talk to somebody, and the person will hear you from the camera. And if they are talking close to the camera, you can still hear what they are saying through your phone. Okay, IP66, which is water resistant. So I've already opened this. Okay, because I opened this so that I can be able to charge it, so that the camera will not go off while I'm making video. So I'm going to show you what comes with the camera. This is the panel that charges the camera. Okay, and the port it uses is Type-C. I'm going to show you guys where you can plug it in the camera. This is the solar panel, small solar panel. That's the back, that's the front, and it's Type-C. Okay. Now this is the memory card, which I've already plugged inside the camera. Comes with 64. Some does not come with memory card, but mine comes with 64. So I decided that what I want is 128. 64 is too small. Within a month or a month plus, if it's recording, the memory card might get filled up. So I decided to let them take the 64 and give me 128. So what I have here is 128 gig of a memory card, which is already inside the camera. And this is the camera. You guys can see. This is the camera. 3 lens, and these 2 things are the speakers, where if you're talking with your phone, where your voice comes out from. Okay, so let's go over. Let me show you guys. If you turn the camera this way, okay, this is where the Type-C cord from the panel, this is where it comes in. This is where you plug it here, sir. And this is where you power on the camera. If you switch this, the camera comes up. If you switch it like this, it goes off, which we are going to do, okay, in this video. Now over here, you can see over here, if you open it, this is where I have the memory card inside this camera. This is where also, in case if your own comes with SIM, this is where you find the SIM slot. This is where you insert the SIM. Then this is the memory card, the 128 gig. You press it down, comes up gently, you remove it. You guys can see this is 128 gig. Okay, and we want to put it back. Open this aluminum side faces the camera section. You gently put it in the hole. Okay, make sure it gets inside the hole. Now gently press it down. Good. And close this. Very well. Now, I'm not going to close it because I'm going to show you guys how to set up this camera. And this is where I will need to reset the camera, okay? If I click on this, that's a small hole here. If I tap on it and hold it for some seconds, once I power the camera on, it's going to reset the camera, which we are going to do right after now, okay? So this is all that comes with the camera, and inside the carton you have the screw and the hanger for the panel, okay? So that's all. The port where you plug the panel, where you on the camera, SIM slot and memory card slot, and the reset button right inside here. So the next thing we're going to do now is to set up this camera. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up this camera with your phone. Okay, that is the next session that we are going to take on step by step. All right. Now, let's go ahead and connect this G33 camera. Okay. Now, the very first thing you need to do if you want to connect this camera is to make sure that the Wi-Fi is on and running. Okay. Now, the phone that you're going to use or the tablet that you're going to use to connect to the camera must be connected to that Wi-Fi network, that router. Now, all Nigerian internet ISP provider, MTN, Airtel, Glo, Etisalat, and all the rest, even most Spectranet, most of these ISP providers, they provide 5G and they also provide 2.5 gigahertz speed. This camera is 4G. You might not be able to connect to 5G network, but it can be able to connect to 2.5 gigahertz, which is quite very, very okay. Even 2.5, the range is longer than 5G. Okay, so this is 4G camera, okay, but you might not be able to connect to 5G, so what you need to do is connect it to 2.5 gigahertz. So first of all, what we need to do is to come over here, okay, and put on the camera. Make sure that once you buy your camera, connect your panel and make sure you charge the camera for some time, even if it's 1 hour or 2 hours when there is sun, so that whenever you do the connection, the camera will not go off. Now, I've charged this camera. Now, power it on.
Hotspot is ready.
You can see it's on and it's running. Now, my phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi router, which I want to use to connect to this camera. Okay. Now, this is the paper that comes, the manual that comes with the camera. Now, what we're going to do now is open it and scan the barcode that we're seeing over here. Okay. But before then, what I want to do is I want to go here where you have the memory card, and I'm going to hold the reset button.
Reset completed.
Okay. The camera has already reset. Okay.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Now it's telling me to scan the barcode on the camera and wait for the connection. Okay, you can see the camera lens has started moving automatically. After this first one will finish moving, the second one will start moving. Okay, you can see this one is moving. After this one is done moving and rotating, the other one will also start moving. Okay, you guys can see the other one will start moving now. Okay, this one is still moving. All right, so it's because I click the reset button. That is why this is happening. This only happens when you click the reset button. So the last one will now start moving. Okay. So what I want to do now is go over to my phone, open the barcode. Now open my camera, scan the barcode, and go to the address. Click and go to the address. I'm trying to download the app that we use in controlling this camera. Okay. While this phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that I want to connect the camera. All right. So let's wait a little bit. It's like the internet is a bit slow. Okay, now we have the app here. Click on V380 Pro app, download, click on it. And once you click on it, it's going to take you to app Google Play Store. Now over here, you can see mine is showing open because I've already downloaded the app, but yours will show install. Just install the app, and after installation, click on open. Okay, now the app is opening. Let's wait for this advert. Close. Okay, now what we need to do now is, okay, you can see found device. Immediately you open this app and click on add camera. You can see one device has been found. Okay, but in case if yours did not find the device, all you need to do, bring out this camera. Over here, you will see there's a barcode beside here. Now, scan the barcode. Once you scan the barcode, you can see it has already automatically added the camera. Okay, now this is the Wi-Fi I'm using. If you try to use, let me show you guys. If I try to use another internet, which is this, it's not going to be compatible. So what I'm going to use is 2.5 gigahertz, which is this one. Now create a password for this. Create a password. Okay. Since I've selected my Wi-Fi, create a password. Now click on confirm. I know it's telling me to please keep a distance of 1030 cm. After a successful scan, the device will prompt received configuration. I know. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
So you guys can see that it has now connected. It's now connected. And when you click on this, you're going to view. You can see this is the camera. So I raise this up. Okay. All the cameras are facing same place. Okay. I think this is the middle one. Let me check. Okay. 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 So once you go to any of these cameras and double click on it, okay, you can zoom. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, and still reverse it like this and select anyone that you want. And go over here, click here. And once you click here, you can turn the camera. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me hold the camera very well. You can use this to, can see? And turn the camera. You can see as I'm turning it, you can see. I raise the camera up. You guys can see. You can bring it down. And still click on another scene. Okay. You can see I'm turning the other one. You see. You can see. I can still click on this one. You can see the big one. I'm using my phone to do all this. So this is how you can connect your T33 camera. Okay, you guys can see that it's facing up. The cameras are facing up. So that is it. I still go back. There's a lot of things you can do. I make another video and show you guys what are things that you can do here. This video is getting too long. So this is exactly how you can connect your T33 wireless camera. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. And then if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Aswikinna Kingsley. And if there's any question you want to ask, drop it in the comment section. I'll make another video and show you how you can control the camera. And I'm going to add more cameras to it and show you guys what other things that you can do with the camera. Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay safe.